How to clear out continue watching on Tubi TV. What is up everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily clear out continue watching list on the Tubi TV app. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let's jump right into the video. The very first thing you need to do is open up your Tubi TV app and make sure that you are logged in. And once you open up the app, you will land on your homepage. So make sure that you are logged into your account. So here on the homepage, you'll see all of these recommendations for your movie shows and different TV shows. So if you want to access your continue watching list, then you are just going to have to tap on the My Stuff at the bottom right corner on the navigation bar. And here you will be able to find your continue watching list. And in order to delete it, you can just swipe left on your screen and it will delete the selected title and it will be deleted from your continue watching history as well. And that's pretty much it. Just tap on confirm. Now your continue watching list has been cleared out. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching.